learn the letter W. Draw diagonal line down, up, down and up. W is for watch. W. Wajiha is a girl who is always on time. One day, she sat by a window, happily eating watermelon when her wristwatch alarm chimed. She liked hearing the sound. Are you someone who's always on time?
Whale in water, big and blue, splashing waves, a joyful view. Wheel, wah, 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 wheel, wah, 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 wheel. Whale, wah, 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 whale, wah, 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 whale. Water, wah, 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 water, wah, 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 water. Waves, wah, 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 waves, wah, 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 waves. Watermelon, wah, 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 watermelon, wah, 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 W.